Uh-oh, we found another tail. Uh-oh. The Royal Rumble at Beatrice's house. There we go. Cutie is winning. Cutie is on top of Gata. Oh, the flip has happened. Gata got the tail. Oh no. Okay, Butters is over there playing with Soul. Hey, relax. We have rules here. We have rules. Yeah, we got rules. All right, we got rules. Okay, watch the kicking in the head. That may bring neurological problems later on. Hey. Stop. Thank you. Time out. All right, let's do a breather. Don't bite his tail. That is not fair. That is 2 cats on 1. Giovanni, you're just watching them, right? I know.